So hello student friends, welcome to this 21st lecture of this digital electronics or digital techniques. And in the last lecture we have discussed about this logic and gates. So what do we mean by logic and what do we mean by gates, right? I have also given some general life and some technical examples of logic. That is, we need to have or we need to take some decisions based on certain conditions, right? So I hope you must have thought of different examples of this logic, so where this logic, how this logic is used, and based on that logic what decisions you take. Okay, and we have also discussed about the classification of these logic gates. Okay, so as I said, logic gates can be defined as these basic logic gates. Okay, basic logic gates and derived. Okay, in the derived we have universal and special, right? So in this lecture we are going to discuss these basic logic gates. So for basic logic gates we have three types of gates: universal we have 2 and special we have 2 gates. So all in all we have 7 different gates. So let us now direct our this discussion on these basic logic gates. Okay, so as I said, we have 3 types of basic gates. So let me name that. So first is AND gate, second is OR gate, and third is NOT gate. Now here we are looking at, or we are going to see the actual concepts or actual working of all these 3 basic gates. Unknowingly you might have studied this AND gate, OR gate or NOT gate in your C programming. Okay, so let us see actual working of these basic gates, right? Now if you remember, we have discussed that we need those 4 points to study any of the gates. Okay, so circuit, symbol, then logical equation, then truth table. Now this is really a critical, very important part of any gate or any digital circuit, that is truth table, and then statement. Now based on this truth table, what statement can you draw or what statement can you interpret for any of the logic gates? ठीक है, सो ये 4 पॉइंट्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, या ये 4 पॉइंट्स ही लेके हम कोई भी गेट्स स्टडी कर सकते हैं. अब आपको एग्ज़ाम में ये 4 पॉइंट्स पे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं 4 मार्क के लिए, या 2 पॉइंट इसमें से सर्किट, सिंबल और लॉजिकल एक्सप्रेशन 2 मार्क्स के लिए, या ट्रूथ टेबल, ड्रॉ द ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ सो एंड सो गेट 2 मार्क्स के लिए. ठीक है, तो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर डिस्कशन विथ फर्स्ट गेट, दैट इज AND गेट. मैंने आपको बोला था इसको अगर हम मराठी वर्ड लेते हैं, मराठी शब्द जर घेतला आपण ह्याला आणि, ठीक आहे, मग आपण कंडिशन कशी ठेवतो, मला हे आणि हे जर असेल तर, हे दोन्ही जर असतील, जर हे 2 गोष्टी जर असतील तरच मी ती गोष्ट करेल, बरोबर आहे. ह्याच्यापैकी एक जरी नसेल तर मी ते करणार नाही. म्हणजे माझ्याकडे मोबाईल असेल आणि पुस्तक असेल तरच मी अभ्यास करेल, नाहीतर मी अभ्यास करणार नाही. ओके, तर ह्या 2 कंडिशनवरती आपण ते डिसिजन घेतलं. दोन कंडिशन म्हणजे दोन्ही कंडिशन जर असतील तरच मी ते डिसिजन घेतो. ठीक आहे. सो दॅट इज वॉट अँड दिस and this, then only this, sort of. Okay, so as I said, four points. So first point is symbol. Now why circuit symbol is important? Why this circuit symbol is required? Now in basic electronics you have studied this resistor. Okay, and you have seen so many circuits. अब मुझे बोलो कि आपने ये सर्किट में ये रजिस्टर वर्ड यूज़ किया था या उसका सिंबल यूज़ किया था? उसका सिंबल कैसा है? इट्स अ जिगजैग लाइन. सो दिस मीन्स रजिस्टर. अगर किसी सर्किट में आपको ऐसा कुछ दिखता है तो आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि वो रजिस्टर है. दैट इज़ अ रजिस्टर, राइट. सो यू कैनॉट पुट दिस वर्ड in the circuit. You need to have symbol, circuit symbol for that this component. Okay, so circuit symbol for the AND gate is very simple. Now here we can have as per the definition, we can have one or more than one input. एक या एक से ज़्यादा इनपुट गेट्स को होते हैं. तो एंड गेट के लिए मिनिमम 2 इनपुट्स लगते हैं. 2 से अब यू कैन इंक्रीज, यू कैन गो फॉर 2, 3, 4 n number of inputs. But for understanding purpose, let us consider 2 input AND gate. I will say 2 input AND gate. Okay, so what is the symbol for 2 input AND gate? The symbol is this way. Okay, so this is one input which is termed as A, this is another input which is termed as B, and the output is Y. Okay, so if you see something like this in any of your digital circuit, means it is AND gate. AND gate, right? You can have n number of inputs here. In some large circuits you may have that, so 10 inputs, 20, 50, 100 inputs, any number of inputs. But one thing you have to understand, that as number of input goes on increasing, the complexity of that gate increases. ये आपको जैसे हम आगे का कंसेप्ट लेते हैं तब आपको ये समझ में आएगा. ओके, ठीक है. सो दिस इज अ सिंबल वेयर these are inputs and this Y is output. So is it fitting in our definition? A gate has one or more than one inputs and only one output. Right, so this is the circuit symbol of AND gate. Now if you want to remember this AND gate, the symbol, it looks like D. Okay, and AND gate, the last alphabet of AND gate is D. So this becomes the symbol of AND gate, right? So this D, just for understanding purpose. Logical expression or logical equation. Now since this is a circuit and everything here depends on its logical equation or logical expression. Okay, so all the time you need to understand this logical expression of any gate, right? Now this AND gate means in other term we can say that it is logical multiplication. Logical multiplication. Now in our general maths, this multiplication most of the times is represented in dot, right? So 4 into 3, I can write 4.3, right? So this is 12, this is 12. Okay, so this dot indicates that is multiplication. Okay, so the logical expression where this y is output, so y is equal to, I can write a and b. Okay, even this is a and b, right? So as I said, dot, it represents by dot, so I can also write a dot b, which is simply is equal to ab. Okay, so I can the logical expression for 2 input AND gate is given by y is equal to ab. If it is 3 inputs, I can write y is equal to a b c. For 4 input, I can go on, y is equal to a b c d, or I can say a and b and c, right? A dot b dot c. This is how I can represent the logical expression or equation for this AND gate based on its input. So here we are considering 2 inputs, so that is why it is AB or A dot B. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. Now very important this part or concept for this gates is its truth table. Now truth table is simply the it shows output for possible combinations of inputs. Now if I have certain input combinations, then for that input combination what should be my output depending on the logic. Now here we are discussing this AND logic gate. Okay, so in our previous this video lectures we have seen, now if there are 2 inputs, right, so 2 raised to n is equal to m. Now m here considering combinations, number of input combinations, and n is number of inputs, then we have 2 inputs, so 2 raised to 2 is 4, right? How many inputs we are considering? 2 inputs. So for 2 inputs, how many input combinations should we have? 4 input combinations. Okay, and 4 means it starts from 0 to 3. This we have already discussed in this binary and decimal format, right? Why these octal numbers are represented in 3 bits and why these hexadecimal numbers are represented in 4 bits, in that concept we have discussed this part. I am just revising this part. Okay, so I can just mention here the serial number 0 1 2 3. Okay, so 0 is a decimal number and its binary is 0 0. 1 is decimal number, its binary is 0 1. 2 is decimal number, its binary is 1 0. 3 is decimal number, its binary is 1 1. Right? So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. You can go by this way also, or 0 combination with 0, 0 combination with 1, 1 combination with 0, 1 combination with 1, by this way also. Right? Now we are coming to very important part, that is output part. Now these are inputs, these are input combination, 2 input combination, right? And now output. Now for the output you need to understand this expression. So what is it? A dot B means logical multiplication, right? So this is simply logical multiplication. Okay, so 0 and 0 or 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0, sorry. So 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. And 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. This is, I have used this multiplication into, but actually it should be said as 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. Okay, so you can just catch from this and this, हे आणि हे. माझ्याकडे मोबाईल आणि वेळ, आपण दोन गोष्टी कन्सिडर करूया. माझ्याकडे मोबाईलही नाही आणि वेळही नाही आहे, मी अभ्यास करणार आहे का? नाही. माझ्याकडे मोबाईल आहे पण वेळ नाही आहे, मी अभ्यास करणार आहे का? नाही. माझ्याकडे वेळ आहे पण मोबाईल नाही आहे, मी अभ्यास करणार आहे का? नाही. माझ्याकडे मोबाईल पण आहे आणि वेळ पण आहे, मी अभ्यास करणार आहे का? हो. वाव. ओके, सो हे अशा प्रकारचं अँड गेटचं लॉजिक आहे. ठीक आहे. आता ह्याच्यात थोडक्यात काय सांगायचं झालं तर, इफ एनी ऑफ द म्हणजे बघा, अच्छा ठीक. आता इथे बघा लॉजिकल स्टेटमेंट. लॉजिकल स्टेटमेंट वी हॅव टू इंटरप्रिट फ्रॉम दिस ट्रूथ टेबल. मग ह्याच्याकडे बघितल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय लक्षात येतं? व्हॉट डू वी अंडरस्टँड आफ्टर लुकिंग ॲट दिस ट्रूथ टेबल? Okay, now here we can mention this statement in terms of 0 or in terms of 1. So let us try to mention this statement in terms of 0. So what is, looking at this truth table, what we can interpret is, if any of the input is 0, output is 0. यू कॅन सी इथे 0 आहे, आउटपुट 0 आहे. इथं 0 आहे, आउटपुट 0 आहे. इथं 0 आहे, आउटपुट 0 आहे. इथं 0 आहे का? नाही. दोन्ही 1 1 आहे. आउटपुट इज 1. ओके, सो आय कॅन राईट डाऊन, इफ एनी ऑफ द इनपुट फॉर AND गेट is 0, the output is 0. ठीक आहे. आता 1चं कसं घेऊ शकतो आपण? हाऊ वी कॅन इंटरप्रिट फॉर दिस 1? नाउ सी हिअर, फॉर द आउटपुट टू बी 1, आउटपुट 1 येण्यासाठी सगळेच इनपुट 1 पाहिजे. राईट. नाउ if all the inputs are 1, then only output is 1 for AND gate. Competitive exams, in the competitive exams this statement is given and you need to identify which gate belongs to this statement. Right. So I hope this is clear. So you can see we have understood this basic gate, this AND gate, based on this 4 points: circuit symbol, its logical expression or equation, truth table, and statement. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you, right? Now just to extend one more point here, if you consider this gate, then now this is a component. So inside this component here there is a circuit. There is a circuit which actually performs this operation. Okay, because we are saying that logic gate is a circuit. Okay, and every circuit in this electronics is formed with help of semiconductor device. Okay, so you can use transistor or diode inside this AND gate circuit to form this type of circuit, AND gate circuit. Okay, and if you remember the working of both of these, then transistor and diode both operates as switch, which can be on, off, right? So I hope this is clear for you. Now you can take one assignment of we have considered here 2 input AND gate. So if you can try for 3 input AND gate, so all with help of these 4 points you try for 3 input AND gate. Okay, and you can just post me on my personal WhatsApp. Okay. So in the next lecture we'll try to construct this AND gate with help of these switches. We need to understand its internal circuitry. So with help of switches we'll see how this AND gate is constructed, and along with that we can try to cover this OR gate or NOT gate, right? So other part or this part we can see in our next lecture. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.